In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable equal heights for different widgets and sections in your Elementor website. For example, when you look at these cards over here, they have different content, but imagine if you wanted them to have the same height right over here. I will be showing you a quick and simple way to do that. Alternatively, we can also do the same thing but using a custom selector, which I'll also be showing you in this video. So in case you are new to the channel, don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get started. Alright, my name is Hamza. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to enable an equal height to your Elementor widgets or even sections. From something like this to this. And here we'll be using a very simple method, just 1 or 2 clicks and you are good to go. In this section, we'll be using the similar method, but we'll use a custom selector with Elementor. Before we get started, we are going to go back here to our WordPress website, go to the dashboard, and we're going to go straight to the plugins area. And under plugins, you'll make sure that you have the premium add-ons for Elementor installed. Here, I will look up for premium add-ons. Once it shows up over here, currently it has over 600,000 active installs. Make sure that you install and activate it. Once it's activated, you'll have the new option over here called the premium add-ons for Elementor. Click on general, and under global features, make sure that you have the equal height option enabled. So by enable, it should be in green. So go under pages and you can open up any page with the Elementor editor. I already have my page opened up here in the Elementor editor that has widgets or sections that I want to enable an equal height. Now, once you have the equal heights feature enabled on your WordPress website, it will be located under the advanced option, and right over here you'll see equal height, and it's from the premium add-ons for Elementor. So once you expand that, then you are able to go ahead with the settings. We want to make sure that these image boxes are on the same height. So since you want to enable an equal height for only the image box widgets, it's better that you select the container that is holding the image box widgets. So in case you can't locate it on your Elementor website, come down here to the navigator and only locate that container that is holding the image box widgets. Once that is selected, then you'll come here to the container options, come to advanced, and under equal height, you're going to make sure that you enable an equal height. And you want to apply this to the widgets. And if you have different widgets within this container, you can still select those widgets. So in this case, I'll select the image box widget and boom. Now we have an equal height for these image box widgets on our Elementor website. So now that you have enabled your equal height on this container that is holding the image box widgets, let's go and look into how we can now use another option, which is actually the custom selector option, to enable an equal height on a certain section in your Elementor website. So in this case, this is how our image box widgets look like. And this is a little bit taller. That's because it has more text. And we want that all these other image box widgets also have the same equal height as this image box. So how do we do that using a custom selector? Now the trick here is that you first have to look up for the class for the image box widget, and you can target that class using a custom selector. So to look up for the CSS class for the image box widget, we're going to come over here to our preview, and we're going to right click, and we're going to say inspect. We are going to click on just one of the cards over here, and here is the class for this image box widget. So I'll copy that class. Now I'll come back here to the editor, and inside this container that is holding our image box widgets, we're going to come here to advanced, come to equal heights, enable equal height, and here we'll select a custom selector instead of widgets. Now remember, when you select the widget option, it could enable us to pre-select the widgets that we want to apply the equal height in our container. Now in this case, we want to only use a custom selector, and then we can target that exact CSS class. So here what I'm going to do is paste my CSS class that I copied from the inspector, but don't forget to add the period. So that's a period before the class. So you see what just happened? Now automatically our image box widgets get an equal height. So what I'm going to do, save as a draft. So I've updated my page, and now let me go and look at the preview. And here shows up our section with the equal height on all the widgets or the image box widgets that are within that container. So in case you are wondering, will these image box widgets be responsive on different mobile devices? Hey, yes, it's possible. Just come over here to the responsive mode and go to the respective section, check it out. And now what I notice is that all these widgets are maintaining an equal height even when it's not necessary on the mobile. So what do we do in this case? I'll come over here and disable equal height on the mobile. So have it disabled. And now you see that we don't have that extra space in this container on the mobile device. Anyway, that's it all for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value in this video, make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. And hey, please check out my other videos linked in the description of this video on how, for example, you can create image layers using Elementor. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.